we have W1 by W2, that is price 1 by price 2 equals book 1 by book 2. That means W varies as P. When the denomination is more, the number of notes used is less. When the denominator is less, the number of notes used is more. Whenever we think about profit as a percentage, so we have to calculate it in this manner. Hello everyone, I am Purnima, faculty in the Department of Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. I welcome you all to this session. In this session, we will be having a discussion on what is variation and what is the percentage. Now let us understand the meaning of the word variation. I do this with help of an example. So for 5 books, the price is rupees 6,000. For 8 books, how much? Suppose there is a question like for 5 books, if the answer is rupees 6,000, then for 8 books, how much? So we cross multiply. So for 5 books, it is 6,000. For 8 books, how much? So 8 into 6,000 divided by 5, we are getting 9,600. On the basis of the above calculation, let us denote the price by W and the books as P. Then we have W1 by W2, that is price 1 by price 2 equals book 1 by book 2. That means W varies as P, or we can write it as W varies as P. We can write the variation as W varies P, or W equals KP, or W1 P2 equals W2 P1. Here K is called the constant of variation. So in the above example, K is the rate of payment per book. So we should understand that the price varies as the quantity which is being sold or purchased. So let us do one problem here. A sum can be given in terms of 45 rupees notes. In how many 2 rupees notes can the same sum be given? Now, suppose you have to pay somebody. So you are paying in terms of 40 into 5 rupees. So how much you will be paying? For 5 20. So 200 rupees you are paying. Suppose you have to pay 2 rupees. If you have to pay in 2 rupees, then how many notes do you need? So what do you do? 200 divided by 2, that comes up to 100. So 100 into 2 equals 200. So when the denomination is more, the number of notes used is less. When the denominator is less, the number of notes used is more. So this we should understand. So the price varies as the quantity which is purchased or sold. Now next, let us understand what is the meaning of percent. Percent means for every 100. On the basis of the concept of percentage, we can work out the profit percentage, sales percentage, cost percentage in our business calculations. So for example, I say that the profit is 50% of sales value. So I take the profit as 50% of sales value. So this, if the sales value is rupees 1 lakh, then profit will be equal to 1 lakh into 50%. So that will be 50,000. So this is the profit. So whenever we think about profit as a percentage, so we have to calculate it in this manner. Then next, 28,800 is 8% of what number? So, you should write for 8%, the number is 28,800. For 100%, how much? So, 28,800 into 100 divided by 8. So, when you just simplify this, you get 8 3s are 24, 8 6 are 48. So, this comes up to 3,60,000. So, for 8%, the number is 28,800. For 100%, how much? So, 28,800 into 100 divided by 8. So, it is divisible. So, 3,600 into 100. So, that comes up to 3,60,000. Next, what percentage is 3,750 of 17,850? So, you should write for 17,850, the number is 3,750. For 100, how much? So, 100 into 3,750 divided by 17,850. So, you cancel this 0. Then, this is divisible by 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35. Here it is divisible. 5 7s are 35. 5 5s are 25. Now, I get 7,500 divided by 357. So, 100 into 3,750 by 17,850. So, when I simplify this, I get the answer as 21%. Next problem here. Dr. Yogesh purchased a house property for which he paid rupees 2% as commission, which amounts to rupees 75,000. Find the value of house property. So, for 2% commission, he has paid how much? Rupees 75,000. Yes. So, for 2%, he has been paid 75,000. For 100%, how much? So, it will be 100 into 75,000 divided by 2. So, 2 into 50. So, this comes up to 37,50,000. So, this is the answer. So, 100 into 75,000 divided by 2, we get 37,50,000. So, the next problem, a person spends 10% of his salary on rent, 40% on household expenses, spends rupees 60,000 for son's education and deposits rupees 25,000 in the bank. Find his salary. Now, we will write rent. What is the amount spent? 10% of his salary. Then household. Household, it is 40%. So, total is 50%. Total equals 50%. Now, they have also given us, so here out of 100, the 50% salary is gone. So, 50% remains. Now, they have told he spends rupees 60,000 for son's education. Now, we write son's education son's education is 60,000. Then deposit 25,000. So total is 85,000. So they have given 50% of the expenditure in terms of percentage and 50% in terms of rupees. So I write, so for 50% of salary, it comes up to 85,000. For 100%, how much? So 85,000 into 100 by 50. So this will be 2. So this will be 1,70,000. So 1,70,000 is the answer. So 50%, the salary is 85,000. How we got 85,000? Because we know that 50% of the salary is 85,000 here and the rest is given as percentage. So we do this. So we get 1,70,000. It is the total salary. Then the next problem, express the following percentage as decimal. Here a 10% equals 10 divided by 100, that will be equal to 0.1 is the answer. Then B, 12 3/4%. So this will be 51/4 into 100. So this will be equal to 0.1275. 0.1275. Then next one is 0.09%. So this will be equal to 0.09 divided by 100. So again, so there is already a decimal. So after two numbers, I put a decimal. This will be 0.0009 is the answer. Then next one is 78%. So this will be 78 by 100, that is 0.78. Now let us go to the next problem. So write the following fractions in percentages. Now here the first problem is 8 by 9 into 100. So whenever we are asked to write in percentages, we write it as 8 by 9 into 100. So it comes up to 800 by 9, that is 88.88%. Now the next one, B, 59 by 78 into 100. So this will be equal to 5,900 divided by 78 will be 75.64%. Now the next, C, 11 by 13 into 100. So this will be 1,100 by 13. This is equal to 84.61%. Then D, 48 2 by 9 into 100. So when we simplify this 48 in 2 by 9 into 100, I get the answer as 434 by 9. That will be equal to 4822.22%. So this is the answer. The percentage of people suffers from corona is 2% in a town of 50 lakhs. Now, first town, I write 50 lakhs into 2%. So that comes up to 1 lakh. These 1 lakh are the corona patient. Now, second one. Second town. Now, what is the population in second town? 75 lakhs. 75 lakhs into 5%. So, that will come up to 75 lakhs into 5% will come up to 3,75,000. So, these are also corona patients. Now, what is the total number here? Total corona patient is 4,75,000. Corona patient is 4,75,000. Now we have to find out the total percentage of both. So we add the total population. So total population equals, so in the first town it is 50 lakhs plus 75 lakhs. So this will come up to 1 crore 25 lakhs. Now we calculate the percentage. The percentage of corona patient equals 4,75,000 divided by 1 crore 25 lakhs. So this will be equal to 3.8%. So this is equal to 3.8%. So first we have to find out what is the corona patient in each of the town. In the first town it is 1 lakh. Second town is 3,75,000. So total patients is 4,75,000. Then find the total population. It comes up to 1 crore 25 lakhs. Then the percentage of corona patients is 3.8%. So with this, we come to the end of this session. Hope you have followed it. Thank you.